Well, what Freespira provides a couple of components that you don't get with standard breathing retraining. One component is the pacing tones. So rather than having an individual have to try to keep track on his or her own of the pace that they're supposed to be engaging during breathing exercises, the tones make it a lot easier for the individual to focus on actually changing their breathing. Secondly, you get the feedback on the carbon dioxide, which of course you don't get at all with standard breathing retraining. And so the way I see that is that it allows the individual to make smaller scale changes that really kind of get lost in the process with standard breathing retraining. It's kind of hard to explain, for example, precisely how to change the velocity of your of the air entering and exiting your body, and yet when you get the immediate feedback about what's happening with your carbon dioxide, it's much easier to do what you need to do to get the carbon dioxide to go where it needs to go. And also getting that instantaneous feedback that you're actually doing it correctly is entirely different than what happens in standard breathing retraining, because there really is no immediate feedback like that. So it's a combination, I think, between the pacing and the respiratory carbon dioxide feedback that really makes it different. I guess in addition to that, also the system, the way it's so nicely integrated and the way it collects data on each session, also, I think, sets up a sense of accountability that doesn't really exist with standard breathing retraining.